But yeah, so wow, I can't fucking speak, bro. Welcome to vlog number 2. We are in Montagu. We're staying in Montagu Country Hotel. I've been here ever since I was a kid. We're staying here for my mom's 50th. It's like a second part celebration to her 50th. We had like a small get together and party at my house a few weeks ago, and then this weekend we're having like a it's a close family and well, close friends and family dinner tonight in Montagu. It's a 10, I think it's about 20 on people, just under 20 people. Anyways, so that's why we're here in Montagu. And so in the meantime, while I was coming to Montagu, I thought, let's why not film a vlog, you know? And I kind of have to submit an assignment soon that requires a vlog, travel video thing. Anyways, I hope you can hear me because I haven't got a proper mic, so excuse the audio if there's any sort of problems with that. Anyways, so I am also filming a fashion video with my girlfriend who's here with us. Filming a fashion video, just like a fashion editorial kind of thing. But yeah, so we are in Montagu. It's about 2 hours outside of Cape Town. It's 2 hours outside of Cape Town. It's just past Robertson. If you're not from Cape Town, you won't really know where I'm talking about, but anyways, you can just Google it, you know. But anyways, so yesterday I drove through from Stellenbosch to pick my girlfriend up, and we drove through, and then on the way we stopped at a location to kind of location scout for later today to do the fashion video, but we ended up doing one of the outfits there already. So it's actually quite nice because we got quite a bit of it done later in the day yesterday, so that softer light we had on the place. But otherwise today we're gonna go back to that location. You guys are coming with us to shoot 2 or 3 more outfits, and then we will be going to shoot probably in the next hour. Jess is just getting ready, getting all the outfits sorted, and yeah, so I'm gonna show you some shots of Montagu now. They should be on the screen right now. It's a boutique country hotel. Been here for years. We know the owner very well. My mom works for the hotel, doing marketing and things for them. But yeah, it's a lovely place. If you guys are ever looking for a place to stay in Montagu, you definitely come here. So yeah. Anyways, so we're gonna go shoot now. No, don't do it. Walk off now. Yeah. It was like walk off as in if you were gonna walk off there. Go for it. The lighting's way off. Anyways, yeah, so we went and did the shoot. It went very, very well, the fashion shoot. Now, whoa, that lighting was hectic. Here we go, just stay here. Now we're off to my mom's dinner, which is at the hotel. I'm going to show you some photos of it now and then some videos. But the fashion shoot went very well. I don't think I'm ever going to be shooting fashion again, though. It's just like, it doesn't seem to be my thing, you know. I kind of prefer to shoot either landscapes or like I do like to shoot people, but shooting like a model type person is not my like vibe, if you know what I mean. I prefer to shoot like if it was gonna be people, it would be like sports, like action sports or something like that. But yeah, so we're gonna go have the dinner now, and you should see some of the photos and some of the videos from that dinner. But yeah, tomorrow night my girlfriend and I, we're gonna go watch Endgame, Avengers Endgame. Cannot wait to see it. I've like tried so hard not to see any spoilers. I have seen some, but you can only do what you can do, eh? Anyways, yeah, so we're going to go have a dinner right now. Cool. So I've studied this really quickly because we're meant to be leaving at 10. It's now 10:32. Anyways, cool, so we're leaving now. We're gonna head home. It's for about 2 hours home. We had a great 50th celebration weekend. It was a lot of fun. Great to see some of the family again, and it was great to shoot on my new camera. It's probably the first time I've gotten to test my camera properly. In like daylight stuff. I've tested it in studio and stuff, but the one it's filming on now, really excited to see what. I haven't checked any of the footage. Well, I've checked a bit of the footage. I got to edit and upload one tonight, but I've checked the photos and stuff. The photos are looking amazing so far, but I'm really stoked on my new camera. And yeah, so we'll be heading home now. We also had a really nice breakfast this morning. That'll probably will be on screen right now. I really need to get a proper mic for this camera. But yeah, so yeah, this will be home probably around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. But yeah, yes. So cheers.